Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to operate a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is RealVNC Connect and ISL Online. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, to decide which of these will be a better option. RealVNC Connect is a secured and a user-friendly remote access platform known for its simplicity and reliability. It offers features like 4K streaming, multi-monitor support, and cross-platform compatibility, making it suitable for individual and small business seeking a straightforward remote desktop solution. The recent version update introduced a unified application combining viewers and a server functionalities, enhancing the usability and the deployment efficiency. So talking about ISL Online, on the other hand, is tailored for IT professionals and managed service provider requiring advanced remote support capabilities. It provides features such as unattended access, section record, file transfer, and integration with IT service management platform like ServiceNow. ISL Online also offer a deployment flexibility with option for cloud on-premise and manage a private cloud environment catering to organizations with a specific infrastructure need. And here's the very conclusion: you can just opt in for RealVNC Connect if you prioritize a simple, secure, and a cost-effective remote access solution for personal or small business use. And on the other hand, you can opt in for ISL Online if your organization requires advanced remote support features, deployment flexibility, integration capabilities to manage and support multiple devices efficiently. And that's it.